AUDACY app. So how to install it? Just get and then double click to install it. Your favorite listening one free app. So radio and sports talk. So your favorite listening in one free app. Your stations, teams, music, and podcast are free on AUDACY app. Sports, the most sports talk anywhere and live play-by-play for many NFL, MLB, NBA, NHL teams. News, music, podcasts. So that's the idea. It's kind of like a mix of radio app, mix of Spotify and podcasts app, focused around mainly sports, but also news and all other topics. And this app recently, as you can see, getting super high in the charts. So yeah. So if you just open it up, here it is. Here is the app. And then you can just log in or register. So I wanna register. I wanna create an account. Or can I just continue with Apple? Let's see if I just can quickly create an account. So then you just enter your first last name. Then you just select your gender. And then, yeah, you just have it like this. So you can listen to all these stations. You can see most popular sports stations, a lot of radio stations. So, yeah, and then you can also explore some music, some tickets, some check-in, some podcasts, some charts. So, yeah, that's the app basically. Then you have just again music, then you have podcasts separately, and then you can have search, and then you have your audio, your playlist, and that's that's your account. You can always delete your account from here, and then that's what it is. Super easy to use app, very nicely designed. So a lot of people like it recently, and you can use it for free. So that's the main point. You just use this app for free. And yeah,